Hi, hello everyone. This is B here, J, the JJ. If you don't know me, I was a birthday boy on this 29 July. Yeah, it was my birthday, and it was a very amazing birthday. I cannot I cannot describe it in words because we all know what's happening around the world, coronavirus pandemic, and in that, my very lovely friends. Turned up with an amazing surprise for me, and that surprise is a YouTube channel. Yes, you heard it right, a YouTube channel.
अरे क्या बताऊं मैं कितना बेकरार हूँ, कैद में होकर भी मैं खुद तेरा गुलाम हूँ.
Hi Jayesh, I hope you're doing good and many happy returns of the day, and may God bless you and all your dreams may come true. All the best and take care. Go Sports Ethics. Many happy returns of the day.
Good on.
And may God bless you and all your dreams may come true. All the best and take care. Go Sports Ethics.
Happy birthday team leader, our coordinator. Stay blessed, stay out.
क्यूट होता, क्यूट वाली रिएक्शन जो है.
Yes, wish you many happy returns of the day. Stay at home, stay blessed. God bless you. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi, Birdie boy. You know, it always feels so special to be around you. I think your aura has certain kind of magic that people always end up having conversations from random topic to serious life situations without getting a feeling of being judged. Be always as amazing as you are. Wish you many years filled with happiness. Happy birthday back.
लाईक माझ्या मित्रांनी मिळून कोलॅबरेट केलं एकत्र आणि सगळ्यांनी डिसाईड केलं याला काय करू शकतो आपण, याला कसं एका डे स्पेशल बनवू शकतो. सो दे ऑल केम टुगेदर अँड दे ऑल न्यू दॅट आय हॅव रिटन फ्यू स्टफ्स like in chat and in group chats and all, like shairis and all. So I write quite often, many of them. So then they all came together, they all collaborated. सगळ्यांनी मिळून मग डिसाईड केलं की आपण एक यूट्यूब चॅनल गिफ्ट करूया. And they started their process, and I was not aware of anything what's happening behind. So what happened is few of my lovely friends bought a cake for me, and they were like, Jayesh, come on, let's celebrate your birthday. They came near my building, and then they said, Jayesh, wait, we have a surprise for you. I was like, what's more special than people like you and the birthday wishes and everything, all the blessings? He said, no, we have one more surprise, which is a little bit special. So please wait.
एक जिंदगी है, ज़रा नहीं पर थोड़ा तो बिगड़ेंगे. हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे.
Many happy returns of the day, Jayesh Babu. Stay home and stay safe.
Hey Jayesh, wish you many happy returns of the day.
And then they showed me YouTube, and they were like, just search your name. And then I searched my name, and then I saw that I have a YouTube channel now of mine. And what they did is they pick up few of the shairis that I wrote in the past, a long time back. I think so it's been 1 or 2 years I've written it. Like we all, like I stay in Bombay, I'm a Mumbaikar. So कसं आपण मुंबईमध्ये आपण कटिंग चहा पितो किंवा वी गो टू मरीन लाईन्स, तर आपल्याला खूप काही वाटतं खूप बिकॉज वी ऑल नो वी स्टे इन बॉलिवूड, सो वी फील अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो कधी कधी काय होतं आपण डोक्यात ठेवतो, कधी कधी आपण वाटतं पण आपण कधी ते पण बोलत नाही कोणाला. सो मग ते तसं राहून जातं आणि आपण म्हणू की नंतर करू, पण नंतरला खूप अंतर असतो. सो माझ्या फ्रेंड्सला माहिती आहे की मी खूप लेट असतो, मी बॅक बेंचर आहे आणि माझ्या नंतरला तर खूपच अंतर असतो. सो दे ऑल केम टुगेदर, दे ऑल थॉट दॅट ही हॅज अ टॅलेंट इन हिम, सो विल जस्ट गिव्ह हिम अ प्लॅटफॉर्म. So they all made my YouTube channel. So thank you so much, Yash, and Parsi for this lovely surprise, and many other people are there, I know. But Yash and Parsi, you edited such an amazing video. Thank you so much. मुशरफ मैन, योर वॉइस इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल मुशरफ, सच में आपका आवाज़ इतना अच्छा है, मतलब मेरी शायरी में जान आ गई। जब ये देख रहा था मुझे लग भी नहीं रहा था कि ये मैंने लिखा है, मुझे लग रहा था कि यार किसी और का लिख रहा हूँ मैं। लाइक का आवाज़, सीरियसली मैन, you have a really very good voice. So God bless you, Mushraf. God bless you, Yash and Viren. And thank you so much, Mushraf, for giving your lovely voice to my words and making them alive, making this shairi reach out to many people. So thank you. And all I will say is now it's not just mine, it's ours, it's your shairi now. आपकी आवाज़ ने शायरी में एक अजब सा जादू कर दिया. That people are very much loving you and getting a lot of comments of you guys. Like I know there are a lot of people who behind, they worked for it. Whatever I had on my birthday, whatever the YouTube channel has today. So it's not my channel, it's our channel, and we'll try to make more of stuff which people like, and we'll try to entertain people. So all I want to say is one last thing, that I especially want to thank Yash, Dhiren, Gauresh, Shobha, Kaustubh, Judon, Soham. Like guys, making a birthday message for me like means a lot. Thank you so much for your lovely wishes and that message, that video message you recorded. Yeah, it was really very special looking at your faces after such a long time, and all your cute faces. Yeah, getting that nostalgia. So all I want to say is thank you to all the people who came together to make my birthday special. Second, of course, dhanyavad. And please now, as I have one more family now along with my family I was born in, and the second family is my friend's family, which is very big, I cannot count, and the third is now YouTube. So all I will say is I will try to make you try to make good videos for you. I don't know what's like planned forward, but I hope I will do good and I will try to entertain you all. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. All the people who like my shairi, who like the video, thank you so much guys. All the people commented on my videos guys. It means a lot to get so many comments, so much appreciation. And Mushraf, it's not just mine, and Yash and Dhiren as well. It's not just mine and Mushraf thing, it's your effort as well. So Yash, Dhiren, Mushraf, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Even all the people, all my lovely people who stay in my building. Thank you so much all guys for coming down, breaking your quarantine. Just thank you so much. God bless you all. Just take care, stay home, stay safe. I love you all.
वीडियो ये काय